everyone, we're going to solve this absolute value inequality. We're also going to graph it. All right. So we're using this definition. You can these are the same definitions just written differently. And what it means basically is if A is greater than 0 or equal to 0, so if this is positive or 0, then you can just copy this down and write it this way. Okay, so that's just going to do that. If it's negative, however, anytime a teacher writes this, it means it's negative. If a teacher writes this, the teacher means A is positive. They don't want to write it out, so they're just doing shorthand. All right. So if that's the case, then we need to negate our A. So we want this A to be negative. And you can work from there, but usually textbooks will write it this way. What they'll do is they'll negate that, so that's going to be positive, and you just get x minus 3. They flip this sign, and then that's going to be negative 2. So what you're doing is you're changing those two. Now all you have to do is solve. So we're adding 3 to both sides. So you get x is less than or equal to 5. Add 3 to both sides. So you get x is greater than or equal to 1. Now let's graph. I'm going to go ahead and put the 0 here as a reference point. Put 1 and 5. You don't have to put the 0. I just tend to do it. Now, since there's an equal, I'm going to do a closed intervals here. Now it says x is less than or equal to 5. So you see this arrow. So shade this way. And x is greater than or equal to 1. So you're shading towards this arrow. So there's that. And you could also rewrite this as x is in between 1 and 5 inclusive, because you're including the 1 and you're including the 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.